Hello everyone. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. May Allah give you health, wealth and success in every field of life. Today I am here with very amazing and latest collection of pixie haircut ideas for women over 50. I hope you will look gorgeous in these looks. If you are new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video can reach you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.